Want to use your Android phone for quick and secure contactless payments? If adding your Intesa card directly from your banking app seems tricky, you're not alone. Today, we're linking your card to Google Pay in just a few taps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Adding your card from within the Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile app is the fastest and most secure way, as your details are transferred automatically. The starting point, your card management. Inside the Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile app, find the list of your cards. Select the debit or credit card you want to add. Among the options, look for Add to Google Pay or a similar button. The guided process, confirmation and security. Tap the button and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll need to confirm your details and accept the terms and conditions. The final verification will happen via an SMS OTP or through OKey, to ensure it's really you. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: check your phone's NFC functionality. For Google Pay to work at terminals, your phone's NFC, near-field communication, must be turned on. It's usually on by default, but it's good to check in your phone's settings if you have issues paying later. So, just like that, your Android phone becomes your digital wallet. An extra device goes a long way for paying with style and security. Now I'm curious, what's the most convenient situation you've found for using Google Pay? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.